Steve Maz here. Just recording this video to give you just clear instructions about how Teams is going to be working in the weeks to come. We could be off for a while, and what we don't want is for you just to kind of fall into a hole in the ground and think, oh, can't work, don't know what to do. So we're giving you instructions about what to do. I've sent you a couple of emails, and so has David. We are online, and we're going to be online in your normal lessons, so your timetable will continue. I appreciate those of you who've gone home. There'll be an hour difference basically, but we're going to start. We're going to work into GMT, and we'll be in our lessons at the times that you're used to GMT on your timetable. So, in relation to Teams and how Teams is going to work, because I've been using Teams almost every lesson with you. At the start of the lesson, you might remember, I get you to log into Teams, and I go to Teams myself, and I show you on the screen your team. So if I scroll down now and have a look at my teams here on the left-hand side of the screen, I'm going to go down, I'm going to find UAL Diploma in Sports Journalism. There we go. There's the B group. The C group is down here. Click on to reveal the content for the C group. You can see at the bottom there it says one hidden channel. Now it might be that when you click on the group, all you see is the general channel. You might not see the other channels. It might say 3 hidden channels or 2 hidden channels, in which case you might not be able to see Assignment 3 Final Major Project. If you can't see it, it doesn't mean it's not there. It just means that it's hidden. You can see we've got one hidden channel at the moment, which is a channel that Harry has made for you, although it's not giving it to me. Just taking a while to load. If I click on that, that will show me the channel that Harry has made. And Harry's channel is going to hold information that will help you with the tech elements of your work for your FMP. You know, picking cameras or using your phone, for example, to help you film, bearing in mind that the chances of you getting hold of media tech, I mean, certainly before Easter, they're nil. And even after Easter, that might be tricky. We don't want you to suffer, though, in terms of your grading. Like if you have to use your phone to record everything, we can accommodate that in how we assess you, because that won't be something that's your fault, all right? So what you might find is that there's a hidden channel, which is Assignment 3 Final Major Project. Now mine is up on the screen already. I'm going to click on it once and it will reveal it. There it is. So that channel is now open and it goes straight to the posts page as all channels do. Now there's nothing on that page at the moment, but there will be very soon. I'm going to start posting stuff up in there today, in fact, including this video. So what will happen is that in your lessons, you'll be logging in. The instruction I've given you is to be online for 10 o'clock. I'll be online from 9:15, and the other tutors will be online during their lessons too. And what's going to happen is that I'm going to issue instructions, and your other teachers will issue you instructions using the posts page. If there's something in general I want you to look at, or in general I want you to do, then I'll post it here. I think as the FMPs go on, your work will become so, I mean, it is diverse anyway, but in terms of where you are, especially with the tech stuff, you're all doing different things. So therefore, there'll be a limit to the amount of general guidance we can give you in the end. But at the moment, I still think we're in the research phase and we're writing proposals. You're all doing the same thing at the same time, so we can help you with that. So there'll be stuff going on in here. If you remember, you've got the Files tab up here, which I've just clicked on now, and that's going to load, and that will give you the exemplar material folder. If you remember, we were looking at research and context work last week and the week before. We had a look at the research folder, if you remember, and we had a look through Amelia and Jordan's work. Jordan's work's a good baseline. It's not great. I mean, I did say it scraped to pass, but nevertheless, he did get a pass grade for this work. Amelia's work's a bit better. She got a merit grade. I mean, it has its flaws, but it's more reflective, more evaluative. And she definitely has a broader scope for her research. So that's a good example. If you're aiming for a merit grade, then that's quite a good one to look at. And I'll be posting more stuff into the exemplar material folder as time goes on and directing you to it. So, all right, so you've got the files and the posts, and then if you remember, there's chat also. Now, I haven't been great on chat. I know that because quite a lot of you posted me and I've just not really noticed it. I tend to go more on emails and so on. But from now on, chat will become much more active. So, for example, I'll log in, typically, give you some instructions and point some things out to you. I will also be logged into Google Drive, and you'll log into your Google Drive account as well. I'll go to your folder, and I'll look into your folder. with you online. I'll go to a chat and initiate a chat with you, and then I can talk to you directly about the work that you're doing and give you guidance and support. Okay, so that's how it's going to work in relation to Teams, how Teams is going to function. If you can, keep an eye on it, please. I mean, if you can't download the app, just keep an eye on it. Like check it maybe every few days. And your emails as well. I'm hoping to get access to SMS messaging so I can text you too, because I think that's probably the best way of doing it. But in the meantime, I can't do that. So please just keep an eye on your on your emails and on Teams as well for me. Okay. Okay. So I hope you all keep well. I hope you are well wherever you are, and we'll all be in touch with you in the weeks to come. Okay. Bye.